Hey guys, it's Ari from Lit, where arguments meet algorithms. And today we're going to talk about how to remove metadata from a Word doc on a Mac. I know, fun topic. First of all, what is metadata? Metadata is the information about the Word document that is attached to a document that is not easily seen. You can see your metadata by clicking File in the Mac menu bar at the top of your screen, clicking Properties at the bottom of the drop-down menu, and then clicking Summary in the information box that pops up. To remove metadata from a Word doc on a Mac, first click on Tools in the Mac menu bar at the top of your screen. Then click Protect Document in the drop-down menu. Once the Protect Document box opens, check the box labeled Remove Personal Information from this file on Save. Finally, save your file. And that's it. Once you save your document, the metadata will cease to exist. If you're worried and want to make sure that it's gone for good, follow the earlier steps to make sure that it's gone. I'm Ari, and it's been lit. Thanks for watching.